Alright, this is going to be my first highway pull with the DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro and the mic. Hopefully it does the bike sound some justice. Let's see. This bike sounds good. My goodness gracious. Hopefully the mic did the bike justice. I've been struggling with sound with sound set up for years. Well, another one bites dust. Listen, if you are on 400 North,
oh my God,
going around, I can see you trying to speed or go above the speed limit, not a good idea. As you get closer to the lawn again, cops will be out, they will get you. They will find you, they will get you, so just take it easy, take your time, don't be in a rush, because you'll get busted just like that guy did. Also, why is there so much traffic? Ooh, cops are everywhere.